Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing like a little bit of a fantasy type of situation makeup look. I just have the colors in my mind. I don't know what exactly I'm going to do, pero like, you know, I just end up doing, like, most of the time I end up doing really cool looks, and I'm going to be trying some things I got on my Ipsy bag as well. So yeah, let's get this video started. Okay babes, so first of all I'm going to be doing my brows, but first I have to find my brow product. Okay babes, so for brows I'm going to be using the Milani Staple Brow Color in the shade medium brown. At first this brow product looks like a little bit light, as you guys can see right there, and when I got it I was like, oh no, this is too light. But then when time passes it gets darker. I don't know, it's weird, pero I'm going to be brushing my brows upwards, and then I'm going to be doing this motion so I can get like a little bit of a pointy right there, looking like a little bit pointy right there. And now I'm going to be doing just throwing the lines and then filling the brows. I just make it like as light as possible because I don't like my brows too dark. Okay babes, I'm going to be doing my other brow out of camera and I'll be right back. Okay guys, to clean up my brows I'm going to be using my foundation. This foundation is the CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation in the shade M10, and the M10 is Golden Natural. I was going to do a review on this foundation, pero like I'm so obsessed with it since I first start using it, so I'm just gonna say it now. I'm obsessed, like obsessed with it. So I'm just not gonna do a review on it. Anyways, I'm going to use this with I'm going to be using it with a Morphe concealer brush, and I'm going to be cleaning the mess I have on my brows. Gonna take a little bit of pea-sized, and I'm going to start carving out the brow. That was the word I was supposed to say, but whatever. Okay guys, so now that I have my brows done and my eyes are primed as well, I primed them with some foundation. Now I'm going to start doing the eyes. I really want to keep the eyes fun. I really wanted to start with a dark blue and then just keep it going from there. So I'm going to go to the Glam Pro Forever 35 color eyeshadow palette. This is the 35E, and I'm going to be taking I don't want to take like the darkest blue though. Pero like, I'm going to be taking this blue, like normal blue, navy blue, whatever you guys want to say. And I'm going to be taking another Morphe brush, and I'm going to be packing that on my lid. Now I'm going to be taking the shade Electric or DB? Okay, I'm going to be taking the shade DB, and I'm going to be placing that on the crease to blend out the blue color. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with this blue. Like, I've never used it like this, and I really like how it looks. I'm just gonna take a small brush, and I'm just going to be placing the shade first, and then I'm going to be taking another brush to blend that out. I'm going to be taking the shade Swag, and I'm going to be placing it just placing it there, and then I'm going back to the blue to place more because the pink got a little bit of a fallout there and it just got into the blue. Now I'm going back to the blue shade, and I'm going to be placing some more of it on my lid. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking the shade Neon because I wanted to do like a different colors type of situation. So I was like,
for the inner corner, do it.
I'm going to be taking the shade Neon right here, and I'm going to be placing that shade on the inner corner of my eyes. I'm going to the face, and I'm going to be using the CoverGirl True Blend Base Business Skin Primer, the
pore minimizing
the pore minimizing one. This is the one I'm going to be using. Sorry, because of the lighting you cannot see the name and everything. And I'm just going to be placing this all over my face. Hi sister. Now I'm going to be taking the same foundation I primed my eyes with, and I'm going to be just placing it all over my face and blending it out and all that jazz. Okay, now I'm going to be taking this mini tart shape tape, and I'm going to, I don't know, I haven't used this is new. I got it on the Ipsy bag. I don't know if it's my shade. I hope so. Let's see if it is. For powder, I'm going to be using this Fit Me Matte and Poreless face powder. Bronzing and contour, I'm going to be taking the NYX contouring palette. For blush, I'm going to be using this new blush I got on my Ipsy bag. It's from the company Space Gaze, and the shade is It's Not Me, It's My Sign. The shade right here is a little bit of pinky. Going back to the eyes, I'm going to be taking the shade Heathy, and I'm going to be placing that shade on my under eye. To add a little bit of fun on this look, I'm going to be taking this stencil, and I'm going to be having two little hearts right here, and for that I'm going to be using the shade D. Okay, before I do that, I have to place my highlighter, and I got a new highlighter, but like no saying. Okay, here it is. I got this highlighter from IBY Beauty Radiant Glow highlighter in the shade Prosecco, and I got this on my Ipsy bag as well. So I'm going to be taking the normal brush I use for highlighting, and I'm just going to highlight. For lashes, I'm going to be using the Angel Wings Gisell lash, and I'm going to be placing them out of camera, and also mascara. Now I'm going to be taking these two liquid lipsticks from Anastasia Beverly Hills, Madison and Stripped, and I'm going to be mixing them. Okay babe, so this is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope I see you guys on my next video. Love you guys. Bye.